Hello everyone, this is me. I want to explain how to create a comic in AI with Gemini with Nano Banana because we don't have any much time in the session. So I will create this video to guide you and make a short tutorial for us to make an influence comic for us in education. Okay, so I have explained about first step, second step, and so on. Let's go to our step in practice. Okay, first thing first, you have to open the chat GPT first. We want to make a story from scratch. Now, in the first step, this is the prompt, and this is the first step, create a fictional educational story related to. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT, and the title we will use a title. Let's talk about disaster, flood disaster in Sumatra. Okay, as you know, maybe in the news, our country mm, had a flood, yeah, in Sumatra and cost lives so many of our brothers and sisters in Sumatra. So if we want to share this news to the world, we can use comic instead or any social medias. Okay, I want to make this story is for grade 3 and 12. So the story will just will adjust the language that will be understand for a student in grade 3 until 12. Okay, we have this story, the character, the story build up. Yeah, the climax, the resolution, yeah, the meaningful message. Okay, next, the second step is let's create drawing style prompt for each panel as I explained in the slide before. Just copy and paste the prompt and click enter. Now, in this step, we will get character detail. Yeah, the character is Rama, Siti, Mr. Rendra, Mrs. Ningsi, and Milo the cat. Okay, and the drawing style also. We want the drawing, the style is lock and never change in every panel. Now you see this. We have panel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, whoa. We have how many panel? Panel it's 20. But if you want the story more detail, you can add more panel like what I do in step 3. Now this is create the panel from template. Yeah. So the story will very detailed, not very short. Yeah. Yeah. Let's create the 50 panels. You can create 100 panel and maybe 120. Yeah. The more panel you add, it will more detail and more understandable story. Okay, we have this 10 panel, 11, 20, 21 still going on. I will post this video so it will not a very long video. Okay, we have this 50 detail panel. The next step is we want the prompt is adjusting with Nano Banana's prompt in Gemini. Now, this is the structure for it. Okay, just copy this this prompt panel generation template. Nah, oh, I forgot to add create. Yeah, create panel generation template. Super consistent. It will be uh, adjusting with style. Yeah, we will use tone and style in anime and so on, as I explained in the presentation before. And it will be rewrite again the panel. Now, if the chat GPT didn't answer until 50, you can uh, click continue. In this prompt, I use the Indonesian language, so just continue the prompt. Okay, it has finished. Now let's modify this prompt so it's suitable for Google Gemini in Nano, which Nano Banana can make the prompt consistent and read and very usable to draw in Nano Banana. How can we make that? The first thing is use this panel generation style, yeah. Nah, okay. Just copy this prompt to Gemini. Gemini, click panel X and copy the panel from 1 to 5, or you can adjust, for example, like 6, 7, or more panel as you wish. Okay, I will copy this panel 1 until 5. Nah, until this, we must change this prompt from ChatGPT to Nano Banana understandable prompt. Okay, the instruction is below in here. Make this prompt usable in Nano Banana. Translate the prompt into English, the dialogue into Indonesian. Now, if you want to make the languages in our language, you can change this Indonesian or Tamil or another language, yeah. Okay, but we want to make the prompt in English, so we don't have to we don't have to write the prompt translate to English. Just copy this and go to Nano Banana and uh, let's erase that. Change with the prompt, the order below before. Make this prompt usable in Nano Banana. Make sure the comic is portrait size with asymmetrical panel, and we don't draw the image. Okay, let's do that. Okay, there you go. We have the prompt that is usable in Nano Banana. We can grab this prompt from global layout configuration, panel 1, panel 2, until the panel 5. Okay, there you go. It's in full English. Let's go to our next step to draw the uh, comic. But before that, we have optional step for the character so it's consistent in every panel. If you want to make the character is consistent in every panel, you have to make the character first. Now, this is the prompt. Based on the text, generate all character. Each is for one picture. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to another Gemini, Google. Nah, okay, based on the text, let's find the character in Chat GPT prompt first. Okay. Nah, you get the character is in ChatGPT character design sheet. We have Rama, Siti, Mr. Wendra, Ningsi, and Milo the cat. Okay, just copy this and go to Google Gemini, paste it in upper way, in upper prompt. Based on the text, generate all character, each is for one picture. Let's stop there. Okay, this is optional step. In case your character is not consistent, you can make the character first with my prompt in the presentation before. Okay, let's save this character one. I save this in here, character one in picture. Okay, let's go back to our Gemini result. Nah, this is the panel, the global layout configuration. Let's uh, copy this prompt, global layout configuration until 5, like this. Copy and use and click the Gemini prompt in the next tab. I use two different tabs for the Gemini. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's change this format. Create comic in. Now, like this paneling. Okay. Maybe the result will differ from my prompt, but the result is still like trial and error. Maybe it will reveal the exact character in our setting before, but in my case, nah, this is different from our character, but it's okay. Nah, let's see. That morning, Rama was awakened by unusual sound. He see, and the river, why it is so brown today? Come on, Milo. Okay, and okay, the water is rising fast, faster than usual. Nah, the comic is created almost perfect and following the structure we have used before. Okay, like that. Now let's check the second panel. Yeah, at the second page. This is 5 panel. Okay, let's go to the prompt before. Now let's copy this style and the environment override color script. Now let's copy this and copy to Gemini prompt. Shift enter. So we will enter the panel 6 to 10. Where is the panel is from? Okay, from the GPT. From the GPT, we use the prompt in GPT, which uh, which has style lock, environment override, color script, and etc. In 5 settings. We have copied to until 5 panel. Let's continue with panel 6 until 10. Okay, just copy that and move to Gemini. The first Gemini tab, we want to adjust the prompt in GPT to transform the prompt into Nano Bananas adjustment prompt. Okay, nah, this is the exact uh, prompt before. Make this prompt usable in Nano Banana and so on, and dot draw the image. Okay, we have created that. Okay, in case your prompt is not in English, especially in dialogue, you can add the prompt, translate all the prompt, including the dialogue, into English. Okay. Okay, this is smooth enough. Let's copy this prompt until 10 and go to next Gemini tab that is specially for create the comic. Don't forget to use this setting buat gambar create picture ya with Nano Banana. Okay, let's erase this and create comic in like this portrait mode, paneling. Okay, Bismillah. And there you go. You have the same setting character like this. Okay, because my many trees. Okay, and the water is rising incredibly fast. Maybe the text is uh, not quietly good, but you can edit it, the text and use it in Canva. Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe you have to trial and error first, yeah, before you can advance in created comics. But this is what I do in to setting the comic, so it's reveal uh, the comic in asymmetric panel like this. But for the character, now that is what we have to trial and error, yeah. But it will be consistent eventually. Okay, that's all. I'm terribly sorry if this video is too long for you, but maybe you can give feedback to my DM, yeah, or in social media or in WhatsApp, so we can complete this comic together. Thank you for your attention. Have a good luck and have a try